Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to do a really short intro and just obviously let you know that I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on how I do my ombre purple individual box braids and how I add these little accessories. So hopefully you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and then leave a comment too if you did like it, okay? Let me know, okay? Okay guys, so the brand that I'm going to be using here is Rastafri. So before we get started, I just want to show you what the hair is looking like. This really pretty ombre purple. And I'm taking a nice little piece, not too small, not too big. The hair does not come pre-stretched, so I'm stretching the hair. And I take the synthetic piece and braid my hair into the synthetic hair. Does that make sense? Wrap the synthetic hair around your natural hair and just braid them into one another. I just want to stress the importance of moisturizing your hair prior to braiding your hair or doing any type of styling with your hair. I did use a moisturizer. Whichever moisturizer you use for your hair to care for your hair, to keep it nice and lubricated, use that prior to braiding your hair.
Don't get you slipping now. Don't get you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now.
And so I'm just braiding it as far down as I could, and this is what it should look like at the end. And once we finish that one braid, we just continue on and repeat the same thing with the next braid. Once I'm done braiding, I like to go in and cut off the ends of this hair so that way it's not left looking scraggly. And you know you've made it to the end when you get to this part where you have to dip your braids so that way they are not left looking stiff, okay? What I did was heat up some water for about 8 minutes in the microwave oven, and I just dipped my braids into the water like so. And to conclude this process, I like to go in with my castor oil. Okay, let's not forget that this is a protective hairstyle, and it also helps with growth. And like I always say, don't neglect those edges, okay?
Things the best that we can. We making it. We just doing things the best that we can. We can. Hey, we just doing things the best that we can. Hey, yeah. No, we just doing things the best that we can. Yeah. We just doing things the best that we can. We making it. We just doing things the best that we can. We can. Hey, we just doing things the best that we can. Hey, yeah. No, we just doing things the best that we can.